No one is talking about this, but they should be. Freelancing life means freedom, but it also means no fixed payday every 15th and 30th of the month. One month you're rolling in cash, the next you're anxiously checking your bank account. It's a financial roller coaster, right? But what if I told you that you do not have to live in a constant state of financial anxiety? Welcome to the freelance life. It can be unpredictable, but with the right strategies, you can build a stable financial foundation and stop feeling broke at the end of the month. I'm here to share some game-changing tips to help you manage that irregular income like a pro. First up, treat your freelance income like a real salary. I know it's tempting to see a big payment hit your account and think you've hit the jackpot, but hold on. Instead of spending it all at once, calculate your average monthly earnings over the past 6 to 12 months. Once you have that number, decide on a fixed amount to pay yourself every single month. This becomes your salary. You transfer this amount from your business account to your personal account on the same day every month. This discipline creates a predictable income stream for your personal budget, making it much easier to manage your expenses and avoid overspending during high-income months. It brings a sense of normalcy and stability to your finances, just like a traditional job. Next, you need to create a buffer fund. This is your financial safety net for those inevitable slow months. When you land a big client project and receive a larger than usual payment, resist the urge to splurge. Instead, automatically set aside a portion of it, say 20%, and put it directly into a separate savings account labeled Buffer Fund. This isn't your emergency fund for unexpected crises. It's specifically for supplementing your income during periods when client work is scarce. When a lean month comes, you can draw from this fund to pay yourself your regular salary. This simple habit prevents panic and ensures your essential bills are always covered, giving you peace of mind and the breathing room to find new projects without desperation. My third tip is to track your cash flow religiously, and I mean weekly. Don't just keep a running tally in your head, that's a recipe for disaster. Your brain is for creative ideas, not for remembering every single transaction. Use a tool that works for you. It could be a simple Google Sheet, a template on Notion, a dedicated budgeting app, or even the ever-reliable budget planner. I have a highly recommended one listed in the description and in the comment below. The key is to be consistent. Every week, sit down and log all your income and expenses. This practice gives you a crystal clear picture of where your money is going and helps you identify trends. Are your software subscriptions creeping up? Are you spending too much on coffee meetings? Tracking your cash flow helps you make informed financial decisions, spot potential shortfalls before they happen, and adjust your spending accordingly. It's about being proactive, not reactive. And finally, diversify your client base. This is probably the most crucial tip for long-term stability. Relying on a single client for the majority of your income is incredibly risky. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. If that client suddenly ends the contract, reduces their budget, or pays late, your entire income stream is jeopardized. It's a goodbye bills situation. To avoid this, always be on the lookout for new opportunities, even when you're busy. Aim to have a mix of clients, some large, some small, across different industries if possible. A diverse client portfolio means that if you lose one source of income, you have others to fall back on. This creates a much more resilient and stable financial structure for your freelance business. It's not about being paranoid, it's about being smart and strategic. If you're a freelancer, remember this. Financial stability doesn't come from a fixed salary. It comes from building strong systems. You have the power to create your own structure, even in the unpredictable world of freelancing. By treating your income like a salary, building a buffer, tracking your cash flow, and diversifying your clients, you can take control of your finances and thrive. It's all about putting a structure in place for your freelance life. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to Budget Boss for more money tips designed specifically for digital workers and freelancers like you. See you in the next video.